Welcome back to Bluudys Garage. In this video I am starting to prep my side skirts and other bits and bobs ready for the car, so I can get them painted and get them fitted. With a bit of luck, in this complete video we'll have the prepping, the painting and then the fitting, but this will be done over a few days, few weeks, however long it takes for me to do it. So I'm starting this video today, which is Remembrance Sunday, but no actually idea when this is going to be finished yet. So I'm currently laying out my garage so I can lay my side skirts out and paint them between the parts washer and that there. I don't think I can make it any higher, but that's what I'm currently doing anyway. I'm looking at doing that, but meh. Anyway, I'm going to carry on with this video. So I've actually wiped down the skirts to degrease them. I will specify don't use this as like a painting guide because I'm not a painter. I'm just going to paint how I think it's going to work. I painted lots of bits and bobs with retro-cans, but I'm not a proper artist. I don't do it properly. Don't do it for a living. But they've been wiped down. They've been degreased. So I'm just going to start laying it on, if I'm honest. Oh, this is cold. Wow! My hands are freezing. Well, my hands are absolutely freezing from holding that can. It's like it was getting colder and colder and colder. But they're in primer. They are definitely in primer, as you can tell. I had my torch somewhere. I don't know where I put my torch. I don't know where it is. I'm going to come out of here now because it's very gassy. So there's a good couple of days after the last time I undercoated these skirts. So we're back in the garage. I'm going to give these a very quick light of sand. And then I think because they're all covered alright, I'm going to top them up with a top coat. So we get some colour on them. And get rid of any dust and that. So I'm going to give them a sand, a wipe, and then we'll start prepping the top coat. So we're back in the garage. It's a couple of days after I coated them last, but I can see like on the edge and same on the other side, it needs a bit more primer. So I'm just going to do another bit of coating of primer, but I'm not going to show you because you just watch me do it. And then we'll have to let it dry again. I'm also going to start priming the back skirt. So I'm back in the garage. It's like freaking a week and a half after I started freaking painting these. The weather's been crap. Well, everything's in primer. I'm hoping now I'm going to be hopefully able to get some top coat on. So I have some paint that's been matched for the car, Reflex Silver, or Reflex Silver. It actually says on there, Silver. And I'm hopefully. Look at my roof. Look how wet it is. You know, she's so freaking dangerous trying to freaking paint in these circumstances. But it's freaking November, and I've got no idea now if I'm going to be able to get it to work. But yeah, give it a go. I failed this video. Nothing but a failure. Look at the state of the kit. It's just too cold to paint. I don't know if you can tell if I get up close, you can just see how freaking patchy it is. Like when I laid on the primer, it was like 16 degrees outside, or 14 degrees, it was warm when I left them in the sun. But now it's been like freaking 5 degrees or less all week. Paint's just not drying right, it's not coming out the can right. Ruined them. Now I've got to sand them all back, wait for nicer weather, or somehow heat my garage, which I don't have a heater at the moment to do it. Well, I have a heater, I don't have the gas to do it. And we know I'm about to move house. What a waste. What a waste of time, effort, and a can of paint. I've messed this video up. I'll be honest with you guys, right, I don't even know where this video is now because I've been filming it for like 3 weeks. And to be fair, it's a waste of a video. Waste of my time, anyway. So, here we have the spoiler which I've just hit on the bike. We're all good. So this is painted, I'm bringing it to the camera. This is painted. It's been... I don't even get it. It's been painted. It's been painted with the silver top coat that we got from Kieran, which is a paint that he got made up. So it got primed, top coated, and then lacquered. Don't match the car. There's no shiny flecks in it. I don't know if I need to polish it to get the flecks to come out, but it just doesn't match the car. So I'm going to take it to the car now and show you all of the stuff that I've started prepping and it's not worked and that. I've got to do them all again. I've got to paint all of them again. The only good thing is they've already got a base coat, so I can just go straight over the top. But I'll take this to the car and show you the colour difference, because it just ain't going to work, guys. This ain't going to work. So here is the spoiler. 2 complete different colours, as you can see. I have just polished this little patch just here. Can't really tell on, well you can kind of see a round patch on the camera. I'm going to carry on polishing it, see if I can get it to match. I don't think I'm going to do, but it does look a bit better. So I'm going to carry on polishing it. Even though I polished it up, the colour is miles out. It's still dark compared to the rest of the car, so I need another paint. On the camera it does look different, but not as bad as it does in person, but the spoiler is definitely darker than the rest of the car. It can almost, nah, it can't pass. It looks silly. It's just gonna look like it's just gonna stand straight out. So no, I'm gonna have to get some new paint. So that was a waste of time, effort and paint and money, if I'm honest, for this video, because the paint's still the wrong shade and it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to see if we can get another shade of paint that's going to be closer to what I need, and then start the process all over again. Great. We'll see you in another video, guys. Look how happy I am. See you in another video.